natural destination. And here's your host, Esther J. Thomas.
My name is Barry Simon, and you're tuned to Island Rhythms. Keep it.
Enough respect to DJ and GTC Law. May you check, sir. This track is your play that song. You see it, sir. Come on, man, people, listen to man. Hey, no matter what the biggest son, you can't let me down. I feel the one who sits about the one who's confident and wear that clown. Yeah, no matter what the eaters trying to get some my joy. Cause I don't forget me, no. You never, let me get what's there. The evil way them set for me, none of them can conquer I. The limits of the time I said them don't scare I. All the trust them set for me, none of them can stop my joy. How them are gonna stop me now? Cause I want so long that eagles above. My heart is overfilled with abundance of love. My cup is overflowing with many blessings. You'll be there for me. We love the blessings. No matter what they think, I'm sure they can't get you down. Next up, what I got to one. Alright, now we like here from place to know. From the one, listen to man. Yeah. From the one, listen to man. Hey, listen. No funny boy can come in here. Don't be rain from everywhere. When it's up, when it's up. Yeah, man. Live your face, best man. Don't sit again. Yeah, man. All of the street people in Western, man. Yeah, man. Come on up, I win the league green flag, Western, man. Hey, it's Montana. Let me watch it. Oh, no funny boy can come in here. Buckle up a rain from everywhere. Then better watch what they're doing. Two men is a perfect. Listen, funny boy gets scared when my soul plays. Now I don't. Yeah, lovely. Yeah. No matter what the pagans them try, they can never stop when I don't take. La. Pick up the China, she's my mentor. Oh. What is up again? Yeah, man. Listen. Yeah. I see them coming after my soul, wanting to take control, wanna give me life, wanna give me place, wanna give me all of my material things. I hear them talking about what this world has to offer. Girl, what you doing, don't you see? What they have done to me when God was just a son all over. Sing it out! But I'm not afraid. Sing it out! But I'm not afraid. Me not here, no. But no. If them a come, let them come. Love when I play test.
Martin, yeah, I know it's all about Chris Martin and dancing to the fullest for Island Rhythms. Keep it locked, don't touch that dial. Chris Martin said that, and listen to me. Oh Lord, I'll never cheat on my station. As far as I can see, Island Rhythms is the only place for me. So Martin,
look who I found, one of the living legends in our presence, ladies and gentlemen. A living legend is that Mimi. Right? Am I doing it right?
No, you don't do it right. It's
ladies and gentlemen, Major Mackerel. None other than the last time me and Major Mackerel sat down was very interesting. It had been a while ago, and it was myself, Major Mackerel, and Ninja Man, and we had a blast.
Shoulder.
And I see you came tonight, Damper, dressed in black and white. I like your shoes.
Yeah, man. Nice. Just mash up the place, you know. Them cut the time short because I'm sure the show up at 2 o'clock. I just see Capleton perform short, Cocoa Tea perform short, but we're nice, you know, in Jamaica with it. real thing, real people, number one. We.
Let me ask you a question. What do you think about the music that we're having today? The music that you're listening to on the radio, the stuff that is playing, people singing about demons and stuff like that. How are you feeling about that?
Well, right now, you know, demon thing is just a character. Tommy Lee just a sell something. He have more good in him than bad. He not have no demon in him. He just a sell a thing, and a lot of people buy it. Because we are musicians, we are salesmen. Me come with a style, and me a sell it from 1978, and it still a sell.
And it still sells.
So Tommy Lee a sell a thing. Tommy Lee is not no demon, alright? But the music nice, are just the people them within the music fraternity for us change up what them are doing with the music, because there's a lot of politics. You see, music consists of some nice bad mind people. Some very nice bad mind people. So, right now, you know, are just the people them who is in authority. But the youth them are DJ good. Me like how them are DJ. Me like everything we are going in the music. And me not like some of the people them who have the authority because them politics with it. Alright? That's how we are going.
So, Macro, when can I expect to see you on stage performing again? We miss you. We want to see you perform more. What should we do to get that to happen?
Well, right now, when I'm not there, so you know, I'm in Europe now. England, in the Caribbean, I do a whole heap of shows. Lot of shows. So right now, remember I was living in America for 20 years, you know. Just come back home 2 years now. And since I've been here, out of the 2 years, I spent 9 months touring. So right now, we kind of cut the tour till August. I do some new record, you know. And I'm on every major show you can think of for the rest of the year.
Beautiful. And that's exactly what we like, and that's exactly what you deserve. Because you've put in the time, you understand? You've put in the time, you've opened the door for a lot of young and up-and-coming artists. If it wasn't for you, then a lot of them wouldn't be able to make it through in this business with any kind of unique sound. So we really want to big you up for that, Major Mackerel. And I respect your humility. You know, I respect you being humble and stuff like that. We really appreciate it.
Well, the beginning of knowledge is humbleness, you know. But in music, the humble calf, them don't get no milk. I am not humble in music, but I am a humble man. You understand me? Respectable man, a man with a lot of manners, character and personality. Respect the woman them, and know so them name spelled W-O-M-A-N, not M-A-T, Matt, for people walk over. So, all of the woman them, remember, W-O-M-A-N, on name. Not M-A-T, no man no for walk over, uno. Wipe them foot down, uno. Because that is maybe, but it's always mommy's baby. So all of the women them, all of the mothers them, Major Mackerel love you know. I remember, W-O-M-A-N. Not M-A-T. Say it again.
Not M-A-T.
Alright. Bless up all of the women them.
Major Mackerel says so, ladies and gentlemen. You heard it right here on Island Rhythm. Stay tuned for much more fun and lots more performances from big names like Elephant Man, No Dance, and everything else is coming up right here on Island Rhythm.
Hold on there, Mr. Bounce. My girl and your boyfriend that. How you watch that dopey show there every night? If me ugly like you, I beg that ring out the face and put it with some. Pretty looks done. And you don't get none. Me. Then, Manolo. G.T. Taylor, I love you for life. You can trust me with your daughter and your wife. But your niece and your cousin have a no more. Run that to you. And you have to bless it, but we not stress it. My youth, if a girl that keep a next man with your left feet. Have a home. You see a lot of black ladies there. Black man respect the black ladies then. Black woman date black man and have black babies. And we see a whole heap of white woman there too. White woman, dead white, stay white, date black man and have black and white babies. Run the track. Out of the girls. You see your daughter, the 22-year-old one, and me her boyfriend. You see you see your daughter, and me her another boyfriend. And that big belly of the one you saw. You see your granddaughter, and me her man played loaded. You hear me? I can only have more than I would on much one. 3 no 4 than I would be have rich. Betty poor than I would every time I get to see me like a short than I would like a man I was the next. 4 than I would be out shot. God, I'm 4 than I would. When me home, when me go, me don't cut here, some kind of show. You can't pay them, can't do me. I say me the back, I hit the really back, I say get it like a back. I got the back to back the food. Hello. We number one. Same times, you know what I'm doing some of them, right? They are some nice Batman people, you know. One drop the road. So we have to run away, some of them. Put a fire upon it, some of them. No, I never scare me, so some of them. Turn the wrong way, some of them. Stupid road, some of them. Never wins, some of them. Some of them. Let me get hey, and I tell you what I do, let me look at you.
energy god. You're watching Island Rhythms. When you talk about Bogle, every night is a new style. Island Rhythms, energy god, Elephant Man. Let you know that. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. You heard? Come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, the most humble, the best dressed, and most well-dressed, dapper, dust off him shoulder, Mr. Capleton in the house tonight at Jamaica International Kite Festival, and we're having a blast. And Capleton, you know, so when you come out on stage, the people love you. And we enjoyed your performance tonight as we always did. Tell us how it makes you feel to come out and see your people embrace you like that every single time you step out on stage.
Well, it's definitely a joy, you know what I mean, and I must say give thanks for the support of the people, you know. And, you know, it's Kite Festival and, you know, it's Gary Tree thing, so, you know, we have to come through, come represent. You know, I never build for the show, but, you know, we love the music, and it's all about the music, and for the benefit of the music, you know. So we pass through and come grace the stage. You know, the fans love it to the fullest, as usual, you know what I mean, because, you know, we bring the energy, we bring the fire with the message as well, you know what I mean, and you know, and the fans always appreciate of it, you know what I mean, and I must say we give thanks to the music, you know, because, you know, this music is the music of life, you know, the music of love, music of inspiration, you know what I mean. This is the music that speaks for the less fortunate, you know. That's why the people embrace it so out there in the earth. More time you say, yo, how them people are gravitate to the music, so how them interchecking on the music, so, and more time you see the way how them people glorify the music, more time you wonder if them are the creator for the music, you know what I mean?
Exactly.
Yeah, because that's how powerful the music is, because, you know, people face oppression and depression, you know what I mean, everywhere in the world, you know what I mean? So, you know, this is the music that tell the people to stay focused, you know what I mean? A greater day there, yo. Don't worry about the turmoil and the obstacle and the stumbling blocks. Have your focus, have a direction, know where you're coming from in order to know where you're going. Never be a traitor or sell out to your heritage, your culture, your philosophy, your curriculum. Never stoop to the limitation in Babylon or accept the stripping of the royalty and say yes, it is all good, you know what I mean? But, you know, for the stand up for equal rights and justice, salvation, redemption, repatriation, restoration, liberation, name it, you know what I mean? So, it's all about the message and it's all about the fire. It's all about the powers of Rastafari, you know. Majestic, magisterial, you know what I mean. So we give thanks again. So we could have come through, come give Gary Tree a strength, you know, a Kite Festival. You know, and I say last year the rainfall and, you know what I mean, we never get that support. But, you know, this year the people really turn out and, you know, give us the blessing. So, you know, we give thanks and I want to bless up Gary Tree again and tell him, you know, just keep on doing what you're doing, you know what I mean? And, you know, as you know, for the benefit of the youths, them, because, you know, the youths are definitely the future, you know what I mean? And they are the man and the woman of tomorrow, so, you know, we have to just lead them in the right path and, you know, teach them the right way and, you know what I mean? Ensure that, you know, they keep their focus in terms of them education because, you know, I'm going to school and be obedient to their parents and their guardians, you know what I mean? Yeah.
And Caples, every time you show up on Island Rhythms, you bless us with positive vibes and you send good energy out to the youth.
Right.
And you know, music is everything.
Right.
And music brings people through a lot of things. And your music has brought a lot of people, youths, old people, young people, all kind of people all over the world.
Every nation.
Exactly.
You know, this music,
through a lot of things.
This music brings all nations together, you know, more time out there and, you know, we see every nation come together and embrace the music, you know, so we know how powerful the music is, you know, we just have to know the value of the music, you know, and know what is the purpose of the music, and, you know, how powerful the music is, you know what I mean, and how the music, you know what I mean, change people's life, make them see themselves on a different level, and, you know, and most of all, this music is the music that help you to preserve your soul. So it's all about the preservation of soul. Because, you know, even within this time, you know, enough people get mixed up in a blood sacrifice and they sell their souls to the devil in terms of
right
material.
now, listen to the radio right now.
Right,
you know what I mean? And that's why we need to keep people like you infused, not just in our house, but in our cultures, in our traditions, so that children that are growing up could learn from positive vibes and knowing that positive vibes breeds only positive.
And that the music is not all about the hype and the fame and the popularity and the publicity and, you know, the how much girl where you can get and the how much different places where you go, you know what I mean? It's all about the message, upliftment, you know what I mean? Uplifting the people, even in terms of themselves, you know what I mean? As a nation, as a people, you know? So give thanks again, you know what I mean? It was a joy, it was a pleasure. Just keep the fire burning. As you know, fire is for the purification. You know, we have to always make the people know. So when you hear we say fire, it is not on a destructive level. I will not say go burn up my body, I go burn up people. It burn the light, you know what I mean?
Keeping the light alive.
It is metaphorical, you know, and it is spiritual, you know what I mean? And it comes through word, sound, and power, you know what I mean? So the fire is all about being yourself, know who you are, know where you're coming from in order to know where you're going. Stand up for equal rights and justice. Stand up for what is right and what is positive and what is uplifting to the race or to the people, you know what I mean? And support the music to the fullest.
Ladies and gentlemen, Island Rhythms has been blessed once again with the presence of none other than the most humble, the most irie, Mr. Ja!
Rastafari.
All the way.
First, yeah,
that's right. Thank you, K-Bolts, for blessing us with your presence. Ladies and gentlemen.
Equal rights and justice. They say anybody can't do that wave their gun. All the people that say everybody believe in yourself. As a true human being, a true brother. Who are not here? We have a little bit of that go. Who are not here? Ready to go, ready to go, ready to go. We have a 30 and go. All who not sell out, all who not go. Everybody go. Represent. Some of them come to steal now. What's that? Hold on, check this out. The same water when I'm bleach out their face, they're not get wet. The water when I chop their pants below their waist, they're not get wet. The water when I feel up the little pin of them, they're not get wet. What on? I'm my people time. Take it up, brother. My people time. That party I'm showing you. If your heart not clean, don't put your hands in the air. If you don't say good over evil, don't put your hands in the air. If you don't respect your mother and your father, keep your hand on your side. And if you don't love yourself, leave Kite Festival. What on, man? What on? All the true people in the building, all of the straight, all of the real people. Would I say go on to the air again, please? Don't give me a crowd! Everybody not here! Oh my yes, oh my yes! Yo, everyone to the other side! Everyone, put up! Stop! Go on, so every lighter now. Lock off a lighter for me, please. Turn on a lighter them now. Put you up in the Kite Festival! Yo, look at that go! If you're a lighter, push up the fire for! More fire! More fire, everybody! Tonight we have a public fire upon injustice, inequality, manipulation, death without dignity, exploitation, rapists, AIDS, SARS, colonialism, cannibalism, vampirism. Everybody will love Jamaica. Over here, so one drop. Give me a one drop, the rough cut. Watch me now, watch me, watch me, watch me. Over here, so. Over there, so. Over here, so. Over there, so. Go Push up your cellular phone and press any button. I got a woman in my life. Put us to the cellular phone, please. You're not taking nobody no card. You're not saying the police card, you're not press straight, baby. Everybody, we have a phone. Don't get easy. We have the phone. I just want to say one. We have the phone. Everybody, what's on? You're going to have the phone. I am telling you about the fair. All I know about the fair. I'm in the zero. When I say what you get in that fight, I ain't here. Looking at the shore. Whatever I want now. Whatever I want now. Sometimes let me here. Artist, the partner show ya.
Thank you for watching Island Rhythms with your host, Esther J. Thomas. Join us next time for your Caribbean cultural destination on Island Rhythms.